This video is going to show you how to use the PhET simulation that involves concentration of solutions. The first thing you want to do is push the play button to open the simulation. And there's several things you can do with the simulation, and the first thing you want to do is to find the concentration by putting this nozzle into the beaker. And you can see off to the side you now have a numerical measure of the moles per liter. You can add solute by shaking the drink mix, and it'll sprinkle the solute into the solution, and you can see how the concentration changes as you add that solute. You can also add water to the solution up here. You can evaporate it down at the bottom. You can remove solute completely, so start over with the solute. You can sprinkle some more in there. You can remove the solution by pouring it out. You can also change the type of solution by putting the dropper bottle up here, and then you just push the red button to add the mixture that's in the dropper bottle. And if you want to clear out the whole simulation and start all over again, you can push this orange round button down at the bottom and it will start it all over again for you.